Yeah, all right. So by default, WordPress, we usually use your post as default on your own page. So right now we are going to look how we can use one of the pages that we created. As you can see them, they now appear here. How you can use essentially the home page as your default so that because everything looks so rough right now, so that you can have your page organized in a good way that you would love it to be. So for us to do that, just go ahead and click on customize. So once you click on customize, it opens by default. WordPress has given us a theme. We are going to talk about theme and plugins in the next few sections. So WordPress gave us this theme by default, which we are actually going to change very soon. Because we will not be using this thing. We want to use something more attractive, something more beautiful. So to change this page, but most of the time the settings look similar. They may not be the same. The change may not be the same. Their settings is always similar. So you come to home page settings, then you select the static page. So at this home page, ensure you click and select the home that we created the other time. Once you select it, scroll down and then come over here at the top and click on publish. As you click on publish, you can see immediately right here the changes has been effected. So we now have our home page that we created to be the home page. So another thing I want us to see in this section is that how you can manage your pages and posts. So let's go back to our dashboard. So on our dashboard, for us to manage our page and post, can come over to your pages, come over to pages and click on all pages. So once you click on all pages, all the pages you have on your website presently right now is this. By default, WordPress created these 2 pages for us. But if you want to delete it because you may not actually need it, just come over here and click on trash. If you click on trash, then it's done. If you want to delete this also, you can do the same thing. And if you want to edit it, probably to change 1 or 2 things from it, just click on edit. As you click on edit, to open up the page for you, then you can add 1 or 2 features or statements or descriptions or images, video, whatsoever thing you want to add. You can add it to it. And if you don't want it, you can go ahead and still delete it at the end of the day. So for me, I'm going to delete this page at the end. So I won't really need it. If you need it, you can keep it. So I will go back to my dashboard and pages and get rid of it at the end of the day. So I will click on trash. So once you click on trash, it's done. So same thing to your post. You can come over to post all posts. By default, WordPress created Hello World for us. I'm not interested in that post, so I can go ahead and trash it. And once I trash it, it's gone. And the ones we created, even if you want to add more things to what we have created, you can go ahead and click on edit, then add whatever you want to add to it. You can make some changes. I can decide to change the title or change the description or change anything out of it. So it depends on how I want it to look like. So after doing this, we can go ahead and view our site, how it looks, and you can see all those hello world and other pages has done. You can see over here the sample page is done. The privacy policy showing you before is done. And the closed hello world is done also. So you now have it this way. See you in the next section.